National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riverwoods, or over Wheeling, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arlington Heights, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, Highland Park, Vernon Hills, Lake Forest, Deerfield, Prospect Heights, Winnetka, Glencoe, Long Grove, Lincolnshire, Highwood, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 21 and 31. Interstate 294 between mile markers 21 and 31. This includes Ravinia Music Festival. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service.